everybody, it's me, Chris of Two Moons on Solana Crossroads, Istanbul, Turkey, day 2. And I am with Mr. Jonathan Bonan of IRLs. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. I'm grateful to be here. Epic event, lots of people, lots of announcements too. So it's always fun to stay in tune with where we're going next. And this is definitely the place to get that figured out.
I saw you were at the stage, network stage. So what were you doing today?
I am the official MC of the network stage on both days. It's great. Everyone has to come to me at some point in time. And so, yeah, I just get the honor of giving that energy and getting people pumped up to learn about what the future is going to look like. So, love it.
How long have you been doing this with Solana Crossroads?
This is my first time doing with Solana Crossroads. I've done quite a few Web3 events, being the MC or host for different stages, but you know, Solana is the future. It's the consumer chain, so you got to lean into the future when you can.
Thank you so much. Now let's talk about IRLs. And what do you specialize in?
Yeah, so IRLs, we do special near-field communication chips. They're custom chips, custom hardware, custom software to enable people to receive digital raffle tickets, digital souvenirs. So all you got to do is you just bring your phone up to the tap station, and then a pop-up comes where it opens up a browser and it creates a unique website where you just type in your wallet address or your email, and then you get the chance to claim it and hopefully win some great prizes too. So we've done a couple different events all around the world at this point, and some people have won a lot of money. And so I'm just trying to spread the wealth, you know, call me Robin Hood if you want.
I actually got mine. I saw it when I got home. I claimed the NFT something.
Yep,
yeah.
exactly.
So guys, if you're here in Solana Crossroads, you might want to check this out. And what makes IRLs stand out from all the competitors, if you have?
I would say the coolest part about IRLs is that there's a lot of people who do airdrops or like different kind of setups where they're like, come over here, we'll give you free money. The difference is that you could take that link and you could send it to your mama.
Yeah.
And that's a problem because you might want to manipulate the system, especially if there's a lot of money on the line or a big prize. So the only way that you can do it is if you're actually here, because as soon as you try to share that link, it's a dead link for whoever's receiving it. And if you try to get 2 of them, our system won't let you do it. So I take pride in this fact that we are capturing actual humans, not people's wallets or people who are bots, essentially.
Okay, so no links, but if you see him anywhere or somewhere else, probably he got this thing right here.
This is the one. This is the official one. And we got a couple of them hidden throughout the event. So go visit some of the exhibitors, and if you see one of these, go claim it, because there's a multiplier effect. The more you tap, the higher odds that you have of winning something epic. So make sure you get them all.
Thank you so much. And what's next with Jonathan? After Solana Crossroads, where are you heading to?
Yeah, I found out last night I'm going to Dubai. So I'm flying out on, you guys are from Dubai. So we'll go party Web3 TV live in Dubai. We're going to go out there, quite a few events. You know, it's one of the biggest ones globally. So we'll be out there for about 5 or 6 days. After that, we're going to NFC Summit in Lisbon. If you can't come through, that's going down in June. It's going to be a good spot. And then I'm trying to go back to Asia. I'm trying to go back to Vietnam, to Da Nang. A lot of Solana builders out there. And I really believe in their future of building the future for the people who aren't at the event. My grandma. I want my grandma to have a Solana wallet. But we need more builders in the space first.
I don't want to take so much of your time, but I have a mandatory question. What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money? Well, that's a good question. I like that question. The truth is, it's already digital money. So for all my normie friends, hello, I understand your world. This looks weird. We're in this futuristic conference, but your money's already digital. It's in your bank. It's already digital. The difference is that you don't have true control of your money if it's in the bank. So I think that soon you'll really understand what it's like to have digital cash. And the only way that you can have that is if you're using blockchain technology. So that to me is an inevitable future. Call me bullish, but that's just how I feel.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. And now describe Solana Crossroads in 3 words. Let's go.
Solana Crossroads in 3 words is future, builders, mobile. I'm gonna go mobile as my next one. Everyone's got a cell phone. You know, it wasn't too long ago we were all on the laptops. No, soon it's just, all you'll need is a cell phone. And it soon will even evolve past that. But for now, mobile is the way, and Solana's leading that one.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. I hope you get a lot of insights from me. This is me, Chris at 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.